Part 6.4. The Human Element, Managing Change. Why change management matters. Implementing new technology isn't just about installing software, it's about changing how people work. And change, even for the better, can create uncertainty and fear. In finance, you might hear concerns like, will this automation make my job obsolete? Do I need to become a programmer now? Or, what if I'm held responsible for a mistake the system makes? If these human concerns are ignored, even the most technically brilliant solution can meet with resistance, disengagement, or quiet sabotage. Managing the human element is not a soft skill. It's a critical success factor. How to reframing automation for finance teams? The key to overcoming resistance is reframing the narrative. Automation should be consistently positioned and understood as a support tool, not a replacement. It's a way to remove the tedious, repetitive parts of the job, the tasks people often like the least. Frame it as an opportunity to focus on higher value work. This is the exciting part. As automation handles the routine, finance professionals can redirect their expertise toward true analysis, business partnering, and strategic insight. Think about activities like deep dive financial analysis, scenario and what-if modeling, advising department heads on their budgets, or providing data-driven support for major strategic decisions. This is the work that is more engaging and impactful. Let's see how to upskilling for the future of finance. This evolution naturally points toward new skills. As routine task work diminishes, the demand grows for skills in data interpretation, process design, automation oversight, and advanced critical thinking. Organizations that proactively invest in training and upskilling their finance teams in these areas don't just ease the transition. They see higher adoption rates, more innovative ideas from staff, and ultimately, better outcomes from their technology investments. Let's do a capstone project, workshop. Purpose of this workshop. To bring every concept in this course from theory to practice, we conclude with a hands-on capstone project. This is your opportunity to synthesize everything you've learned, from identifying automatable tasks to building a business case and planning for change, and apply it to a real-world finance process. Here are capstone activity overview. You'll work through 3 concrete steps, either individually or in a small group, to develop a compelling automation proposal. Step 1. Identify a process. Start by selecting a genuine pain point from your own finance function. Choose something familiar and meaningful. This could be monthly intercompany reconciliations, the manual creation, and posting of standard journal entries, a cumbersome invoice matching process, or the painful consolidation of budget inputs from multiple departments. The more real it is to you, the more valuable the exercise. Step 2. Design a future state solution. Here, you'll apply your knowledge. First, map the current, manual process and highlight its inefficiencies and risks. Then, architect a future state. Propose how specific technologies could improve it. Would an RPA bot handle the data collection? Could an AI model flag anomalies for review? Would a low-code workflow automate the approvals and notifications? This is where you choose the right tool for the job. Step 3. Pitch the idea. Finally, you'll prepare and deliver a concise pitch, simulating a proposal to management. Your pitch should cover the problem and its business impact, your proposed automated solution, a simple ROI estimate, focusing on time saved and error reduction, the tools and key stakeholders needed, and a thoughtful plan to address potential risks and manage the change for the team involved. Good luck with your workshop.